Hello again, my friend. Today I'm going to show you how to make this carousel on Photoshop. I will show you just how to make the image, okay? It's not how to make the design, okay? So the design, I have downloaded this design from Freepick. This is the link for this. I will give you in the description for the design if you want it. So I will just I have taken two structure and just change some photos here, okay? And I will just bring this image to Photoshop. So today I'm going to show you how to make the template. First of all, let's create a new file. So just create file, new, and after that you can see here if there is centimeter or inch, so change it to pixel. So in the Instagram size, just choose 10 by 80 and 10 by 80 also. The resolution, make it like this, 150. So follow the number of the carousel, the image. So here there is, like you see in the design here, there is 4 images, okay? So here there is a 4, so I will just multiply this number here, 4, okay? If there is a 10 image, just use 10. If there is 5, just 5, okay? And after that, just create, okay? Now go to the crop tool here and just right click and select slice select tool, okay? And after that, you can see there is no menu here. Like you see here, divide, I cannot choose it. So how to see this menu here? Just click here in the background and now you can see the menu. So now just click divide and now you will get it like this, okay? So there is this divide horizontally and vertically. So we need here to choose vertically. So just click here and the number here of the slice. So want 4 image, so I'll just choose 4 and click OK. So here you create your own design. So I'm not going, like I said before, I'm not going to show you how to make the design, okay? So the design, let's bring it, like I said, I will just copy the design from here. I will speed up the video. Now we have finished all the design. Let's save it. To save it, just select all of the image here and just click File, and after that export, and now just save for web. And after that you can see here, maybe you will find it like this. So just select here PNG24 and after just save. Not let's go to save it here, just name it 01 and just click save. Wait few seconds. Let's go to the desktop now. This is the folder. It will create a folder with the name images and just open it. And like I say, you can see every image. You can save it on Instagram, okay? That's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment. Also, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.